Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss what is put method and how to execute put method. So I will give you some example to execute. So basically, I am working on the manual part. I will come on the automation part as soon as possible. So I'm working on that. So do not worry about that. But here, if in the interview they will ask what is put method or how to execute your put method and where we can use this put method, right? So put method means replace all the current representation of the target resources with your request payload. In simple way, it will replace resources completely. Okay, so if you want to modify, if you want to replace, so it will replace completely, or if the resource does not exist, it will create as well. It totally depend upon now I know implementation, right? How the developer have developed. Okay, so here we can also create and we can also replace, but again it depend upon completely development. Put method having the request body, so here we have a request body. Put method does not having a response body, but it depend upon development, it may be have or not. Got it, right? It may be have or not, it totally depend upon how the developer have developed, right? But the example whatever I will show you, be having the request body also and be having the response body as well. Put method is not safe because we are doing some modification and all, right? So it is a not safe. Put method is idempotent, means if you will hit multiple times of the same server, it won't be impact of anything. Put method is not catchable. So these all the points, if you want to explore, I have already explained in my previous video as well. We can refer. So let's move in the practical how we can execute put method. So actually we have a some, we can go in the postman. I'm going to create one request. So let me, okay, that is fine. It looks good, right? So just I am going to create one request. Okay, so I will write put test something, right? And here you have to select here put. Okay, so here you have to select put, and I'm going to give you this URL. Okay, so these are the one URL. I will paste this all this request and response payload in the description. You can just copy paste and you can do the practice, no worries. Okay, so you can see this is the URL, and here your booking ID. So booking ID you can give anything like as per your development. So I have given this booking ID, and here you have to provide the request body as well, and you have to select raw and you have to select JSON format because we are working on the JSON, right? So you have to select the JSON, and now this is your put method. I'm just going to, this is your request body. Okay, see, we have a total price is 111. I want to change this total price 120, right? So this thing we are going to do, you are going to modify the data, you are going to replace something, right? So this is the use of the put method. Got it, right? So I'm going to modify or I'm going to replace total price. When I press hit, you know here we are getting some error, guys. Forbidden 403. Okay, so here you have to give some authentication. We did not. So what you have to do for this URI, you have to create some token here. Okay, so it is again simple how to create. When we having the any creation, then we will use post method. I will share this things on your description. You can just copy paste and you can do the practice. Going to add, I'm just going to write here token. Okay. So this is our token, and I'll select here post, and this is just I'm going to copy paste this authentication, and we can go for body again request, and I'm going to create this token. Okay, so now I'm going to create this token. So this is the default. You can change this username and password. Okay, no issue at all, and press hit. Okay, if you will press hit, then you can see I think something went wrong. Let me copy properly. Once again, guys, I need to save it this as well. Okay, and you can see token is created, right? So we have created a token. If you see that, so we have created a token. This token we will use here. Okay, so where you can use this token, you can go for the header and we can use cookie. So this, all the information, you will all the information you will get from your dev team or your specification document, right? So no worries about that, how to create and all. But all the document you will get it from your dev team, so you should not worry about that. Okay, so here you can use token equal to, and this is our token, whatever the token we have generated. Just you can copy paste and you can paste here. That's all. Okay, and now I'm going to uh you know hit this again, send button. So before it was the 111 and now I have changed this 120. So if I will hit it, you can see now it will replace with 120, right? Or I want to, my first name, I want to replace my first name like Mohit, and last name is Kumar. And now I'm going to hit. You can see now it is replaced, right? So this is how you can use in the put method. If anyone will ask you what is the put method, just mention this all the points regarding this put method, and definitely interviewer will impress with you guys. And that's all in this video, guys. So next video I will also continue for the delete method. So next video I will check that. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are the new in the channel, so my channel name is Ingenious Tech Hub. You can just go through this, and here you will get many profitable video. Okay, so let me show you. We having the important playlist here. That playlist will help you to learn the things properly. So you can see we having the many playlist here. Okay, so you can see here we have a playlist. So this will help you. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend as well. So let's move in the playlist. You can see this is I am working on the, if you are the new in the channel, so rest assured API to beginner tutorial, because I am working on the postman now, but rest assured I will also continue, and whatever the method we have seen. So if you are new in the channel, please go through this tutorial and please save this playlist. And we have a top level of the interview question for automation test engineer like Oracle, NES, ITC, DVC, sorry, DVS, not DVC, DVS, ADP, Deloitte. So these are the common interview question and answer. And you will get one more important playlist. Many of the people are struggling. They are attending the interview. They are a manual tester, or they are working in a different profile. They're planning to switch in the automation, but they don't know real time, the question and answer, like what the challenges you have faced in your project, what is your day-to-day activity, what is your roles and responsibility. As automation test engineer, you are going as experience, right? So here you will get it all this. Okay, so this is very helpful for you guys. And please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.